front-end devices like PC, laptop, and then maybe we can add one server. This is the best way. So the next thing we need to do here, we need to label all our APIs that we will be able to use for our our video. So I will label all of the APIs here in few seconds. So this is our API that we will be able to use. We will use 1.1 for this router, 1.2 for this PC, 3 for this server, and 4 for this laptop. The next thing we need to do, we have to add our connection or the just for cable we will use. So only between this access point and the router. So the next thing we have to go and assign the IP address for this router here. So this is G0. Yeah, so you just come here, you bring your mouse here, okay, G0. So it will give us G0. You come to config, you come to G0, and then you just type this IP address here. 1.1. You make sure you on this router. Yeah, that is cool. It's already on now. So the next thing we need to do, have to come and assign, in fact, add the name for this uh, access point. So you're not going to choose port 0, but you will choose port 1, and then you choose web, and then here we'll be able to maybe you can say ND what this is the web, in fact, the access point name. Then we can tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's just 0. That is okay. So we switch on, and if I switch, yeah. Then the next thing we need to do, we have to come to other these devices to assign other the IP. So you double click on this device, you come here to desktop, you come to IP config, you just type this on 1.2, and then the default gateway will be the IP address of the router, and this one will be 1.3 desktop IP configuration, 1.3, then default gateway will be the router IP address, and then the last one is 1.4, 1.4, so 1.4, and then the default gateway also is here. So the next thing we need to do, we have to go and add the modules, the wireless modules. So you will come to physical, you zoom in this one, and then you switch this thing off. You remove this module, you take this WMP300 and here, and then you switch this one back on. So we will do the same thing for the server also. Come to physical, you zoom in, and then you switch this one off. You just add this module here, and then you switch back on. The next thing you need to do, I have to come to the laptop also. We do the same physical, you zoom in, switch off, and then you remove this modules. You add this one, you switch back on. So now we are cool. So the next thing we need to do, before we do it, let me just carry on some experiments so you can see. Next time you will be able to face this one by yourself. So let me show you some problem that we might encounter. So here we are done with this thing. So what we need to do, you have to come to enter this PC. You double click on this PC. You come to wireless, PC wireless. Now it's okay. So we try to connect. The coverage area is going to drop to, you see, 39%. That is very bad. So let's try this laptop also here. So you come to this area, you come to this one, and then you see it's 43%. That is very bad. So what you need to do here, you just come to physical, and then you come to intercity. You expand this one. You also expand down. You take this PC, you put here in this main. You take this laptop, you put in this main. Also now you close this one. So let's go back and try to establish our connection. So you, okay, let me take back off. In fact, it's okay. So the next thing you need to do is double click on the PC, you come to PC wireless, and then you see it's going to it's now 100%. So you try to connect. Here you type the password today 123456789 0, and then you connect here. You see this one has connection now. So the next thing we can do the same thing for this server. We come to PC wireless. We connect this one. Uh, Now we come to connect. Type this password 123456789 0. Now it's okay. We'll do the same thing for the laptop also. PC wireless. You come to connect, and then you wait to find that packet is 100%. So you tap this one 123456789 0. So now it's okay. So the next thing we need to do is to be able to check if this thing is still on static or is something that removed. Like you see, it's on static. So we'll tap back this IP address 1.2, and this one will be 1.1. Now it's good. We'll come to this server. Also do the same thing. It's on static. So you this static 1.3, and then you will tap the last one will be you test started, and then you tap this on 1.4 and 1.1. So now let me take everything back so we can be able to test our network if it is okay, if our connection was good. So what we need to do, take one PGU from here, from this router to this one. You see it's successful here, and the next one is this one is also successful, and from server to this one, from server to the router is also successful. So this is how you can be able to do wireless connection using Cisco packet tracer. Everybody, please don't just forget to just hit that little subscribe button. Give me your feedback, give me your comments so I can be able to do more. Thank you once again for watching.